Welcome to this step-by-step guide on custom member attributes in Lean Agile Intelligence. In this video, we'll explore how you can create custom member attributes to better segment and organize results, unlocking powerful insights to improve decision-making. Custom member attributes allow you to categorize and organize participants in your assessments based on criteria specific to your organization, such as role, location, and more. These custom member attributes provide a more granular view of the data, enabling better insights and more focused analysis. This means you can create reports and drill down on the performance of specific groups, whether it's a department, region, or years of experience, making your analysis much more actionable. Let's get started. First, hover over Organization Setup in your navigation bar. Select Member Attributes. Here, you will see that we have one out-of-the-box member attributes, which is role. 12 predefined roles available that cannot be modified. However, you can add additional roles to this attribute and edit the roles that you have added. To add new roles, click the pencil icon. Then click the Add button. Now type in your new role and click Save. To create new attribute, click on the Create Member Attribute button on the top right. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the name of your attribute. For example, you might want to create an attribute for office location. Once you have entered the attribute name, add the values you want to associate with it. If you need more values, simply click on the plus button. When you're done, hit Save to add this new attribute. You can now use it to segment your assessment participants. If you need to make changes, editing a custom attribute is simple. Click on the pencil icon. You can now modify both the name and the values associated with it. You can also add or remove values. Just click on the minus button to delete and click on the plus button to add. After making your edits, remember to click Save. To completely remove an attribute, click on the trash icon next to it. Be cautious because deleting an attribute will permanently remove it from your organization's assessments. Once your custom member attributes are created, you can now apply them to assessments by enabling them in your capability templates. Let's see how it works. First, navigate to the Capability Templates under Assessments menu. Custom member attributes can only be enabled in custom templates. You can always choose an out-of-the-box template and create a copy of that, or choose a custom template that you have already created. Here, I have already made a custom copy of the Flow Accelerator template. Click on the template and then click View Customize. Once you're in the template builder, scroll down to find the Template Member Attributes section. Click Edit on the top right, and then check the boxes next to the attributes you want participants to use. For each attribute, you can control what participants see by limiting the attribute values that are going to be visible. For example, you may only want participants to see specific roles. Just drill down into the attribute and select the relevant values. Once you have selected the attributes and customized their visibility, click Save. When participants join the assessment, they will be prompted to enter information based on the attributes you have enabled. This ensures you capture exactly the information you need from each participant, streamlining the data collection process. Once your assessment is completed, you can filter results based on custom member attributes. Go to the result page and apply filters to view the data segmented by role, location, or any other attributes you have set up. You can also drill down into a capability to further segment the data by selecting the attributes in Votes By under the Votes tab. If you have multiple attributes enabled, you can also group the results by more than one attribute, giving you an even deeper insights into how different segments of your organization are performing. For an overview, you can always expand the results information widget to see the number of participants based on the custom member attributes. Custom member attributes empower your organization to tailor assessments in a way that mirrors your structure, whether by department, location, or any other criteria. This flexibility helps you gain insights that are relevant to your business and make better, data-driven decisions. With this granular view of your assessment results, you can identify trends, spot strengths and weaknesses, and ensure that your insights align with your organization's unique needs. Thank you for watching this guide on custom member attributes. For more information, visit our Help Center. Unlock the full potential of your assessments with tailored insights, powered by Lean Agile Intelligence. Thank you.